Hello, I'm Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I'm creating with John Bead. Our DIY jewelry project features my silver aquamarine earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers. We are using Preciosa Czech glass crystals, silver aquamarine, 4mm and 6mm bicones. You will need size 2 crimp beads. These will be used as spacer beads, eye pins, a ball head pin, 6mm jump ring, and an ear wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on blog.johnbead.com. Onto an eye pin, string a 6mm silver aquamarine, our spacer bead, and another 6mm aquamarine. We are now going to form a simple loop, bend the wire to the side using our wire cutters, trim off that little end. Using our round nose pliers, we are going to roll the wire towards us to form a simple loop. Make sure your loops are facing the same direction. You are going to repeat the previous step, replacing with silver aquamarine 6mm, 4mm, our spacer bead, 4mm, and 6mm. Our third connector will have 2 silver aquamarine 6mm, a 4mm, spacer bead, 4mm, and 2 6mm. Now we need to bend each one of these connectors into a V. I'm bending them up to form a V. Same thing with our second connector. We're making a bend in the wire. Once again, with our third connector, we're making a bend in the wire. Using a ball head pin, string a silver aquamarine 4mm, the third connector, a silver aquamarine 6mm, the second connector, a 6mm, the first connector, and a 6mm. We are now going to form a simple loop, making sure those beads are nice and snug. Bend your wire to the side. Using our wire cutters, we're going to trim off that little end. And using our round nose pliers, we are going to roll the wire towards us to form a simple loop. This is what your earring should look like at this stage. Onto the other side, we are repeating the same pattern using a ball head pin and a silver aquamarine 4mm, the third connector, 6mm, the second connector, 6mm, the first connector, and 6mm. Making sure your beads are nice and tight, we are going to bend the wire to the side and trim off that little end. Using our round nose pliers, we are going to roll the wire towards us to form a simple loop. Let's move on to connecting the ear wire. Grab a 6mm jump ring. This is how you open and close the jump ring. Attach your jump ring and the ear wire and close your jump ring. And there you have it, how to create my silver aquamarine earrings. Also featured on the blog this week is my silver aquamarine bracelet. Printable PDF instructions can be found for this bracelet on blog.johnbead.com. There is no video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.